ITR forms. Which ITR form is right for you? Types of ITR forms: ITR 1, ITR 2, ITR 3, ITR 4, ITR 5, ITR 6, ITR 7. ITR 1, Sahaj, for salaried individuals with income from salary, interest, and dividends. You can use this if you are a resident individual, not HUF or NRI, RNOR. Your total income is less than or equal to 50 lakhs. Your income includes salary income, one house property, no carry forward loss, interest or other sources, excluding lottery, racehorses, agricultural income up to INR 5,000, capital gain up to 1.25 lakh Indian rupees from shares, mutual fund. No carry forward loss allowed. ITR 2, for investors, NRIs, or those with capital gains or multiple properties. You can use this if you are an individual or HUF. Your income includes salary, pension, income from multiple house properties, capital gain, any amount, foreign income or assets, agricultural income, 5,000. You are an RNOR, NRI. You are a director or hold unlisted shares. You have clubbing of income, spouse's income. You cannot use this if you have income from business or profession. ITR 3 for business owners, freelancers or partners in firms. You can use this if you are an individual or HUF with income from business or profession, proprietorship. You are a partner in a firm, not LLP. Income includes capital gain, any amount or with carry forward loss. You hold unlisted equity shares. Income, loss from futures or options. You also earn salary, rent or other income along with business income. ITR 4 Sugam for small business or professional under presumptive tax. You can use this if you are a resident individual, HUF or partnership firm, not LLP. Your total income is 50 lakhs. You earn from presumptive business, Section 44 AD or 44 AA. Presumptive profession, Section 44 ADA. One house property, salary, pension, other sources, excluding lottery, racehorses. LTCG under Section 112A 1.25 lakhs, no carry forward loss. You cannot use this if income is greater than 50 lakhs. You have foreign assets or income. You are a RNOR or NRI. You are a company director or hold unlisted equity. Your business turnover is greater than 2 crore. You have capital losses to carry forward. ITR 5 for LLPS, EOPS, cooperative societies or others. You can use this if a partnership firm, excluding proprietorships, an LLP, association of persons, AOP, body of individual, BOI, estate of a deceased or insolvent person, business trust or investment fund, certain cooperative societies or trusts, not filling ITR 7. You cannot use this if you are an individual, HUF or company. You are a trust required to file ITR 7. ITR 6 for companies other than those claiming exemption under Sections 11 and 12 of the Income Tax Act, 1961. You can use this if domestic companies, foreign companies, and other corporate entities. Exemption, ITR 6 is for companies not claiming exemption. ITR 7 for trusts, institutions, and other entities claiming exemption under Sections 11 and 12 of the Income Tax Act, 1961. You can use this if charitable trusts, religious trusts, educational institutions or other entities claiming exemption. Exemption, ITR 7 is for entities claiming exemption under Sections 11 and 12. Subscribe to 24 The Wise One for more interesting videos. Like, comment, and share to support our content. Thank you.